Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today, some chicken back and ackee with rice and peas. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them what me use in my recipe. Remember, watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a recipe I got eatable, tasteable, delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some chicken back and ackee. See ackee here you can see chicken back there. See vinegar to wash chicken back. Wrap some cowpeas and ginger and garlic. You can see spice them right here. See coconut to go and rice and peas there. See plantain here, thyme, some scallion, onion also Irish, garlic, sweet pepper, hot pepper again. See carrot here, some pimento seed. We have some seasoning. So remember, chicken back with ackee. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. Cowpeas, see cowpeas there, ginger, pimento, garlic, and salt. So please to watch the video to the end, like and share. Starting by adding some vinegar to the chicken back, right? I'm going to see chicken back here. So I'm going to remove the bottom part like this. I'm going to cut out the fat like this. So I'm going to dig out the waste, like right here. Chicken back and ackee I got nice man, eatable, tasteable. So we'll take all the fat them like these off it, scrape it off like these. So we put it in a tube, get them more small, right? Yes, my peeps, see chicken back them wash and pretty and clean there, ready. So I'm gonna add it back to the pan right these right now, you can see. Add them back to these. Alright. Starting by putting spice into the chicken back. I have some pepper here, garlic, thyme, and seasoning. Also some more seasoning right here. You can see. So we're going to massage it first. It's a nice man, eatable, tasteable chicken back and ackee. Rice and peas. It's a tasteable, eatable, delicious. Right, my peeps, see there. But right now you want to stay for 10 hours, right? My peeps, see there. Water boil, right? So I'm going to add some salt to it. See ackee there, pepper, Irish and carrot are going to make it boil on these. So remember put the ackee in boiling water. That's done tough. Make these one cook, right? This is the way you cook ackee. Remember, put it in boiling water. Even people see there. They want ackee boil, huh? Yeah, you can see it. Put ackee in boiling water. So it don't tough it. We are testing if you can cook them peeps, you see? Still not cook it one, boil some more. Oh, mix breed ackee, mix. Some cook and some not cook. Okay, I see what I go on, man. Alright, we can fix things. Anything spoil, we in here and fix it. So we're gonna fix me. Go on, cook more. You know, peeps, see chicken back the well fry and crispy, you know, you know, that chicken back and ackee, remember, you know? And man, eatable, tasteable, remember, Jamaican cooking lumberjack. So these are pretty and fat and fleshy. You right on mouth there around water. Peeps, when I add tomatoes, I add some ketchup to flavor it. You see, yeah, little ketchup. The flavor it, you can flavor more. Tomato, I can't find in a town, you know, so I them gone home side. But we can build one spice, man. Ketchup is safe spice, you know. Yeah. When I peeps the carrot and the Irish and ackee there, I'll add this now, see. So you don't want the ackee to break up. You have to take your time to put it like this. Mix in the spice now. Yeah, but you don't know how I add it to ackee, so put it in the way you see. See chicken button there. Yeah, man. Black pepper, yo, when I put on some pot, I don't like this salmon. I have enough country pepper in it already. Put this at one time. But chicken back and ackee now, please. Yeah, man. Chicken back and ackee, yeah. Outside. Yeah, man, see good old rice and peas there, you know? Coconut juice, no milk, you know, juice. You get like coconut and juice out it. You see. Yes, my people, see what I want there? Some chicken back and ackee with rice and peas, cow peas. You can see fried plantain, ackee, see carrot, see Irish there. And see chicken back there. See, it's whole light spice in there. You can see, yeah, man. Rice and peas, Shelly. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. Chicken back and ackee. Peeps, I'm out there, I run water. See how them fry plant the crispy and brown. Remember to subscribe to Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. The recipe and nice. Young peeps, see what I go on. See chicken back and see ackee there. I say rice and peas and see plant. Now taste the recipe and tell you what I go on. I'm hungry, you know. Delicious, tasteable. Rice and peas. 100% quality. Delicious taste. Chicken back, yeah.